A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make Allah happy and what's the reward Allah will give you for that. It's Surah At-Tawbah verse number 111, where Allah says, Allah has indeed purchased from the believers their lives and wealth in exchange for paradise. They fight in the cause of Allah and kill or are killed. This is a true promise. So rejoice in the exchange you have made with Him. That is truly the ultimate triumph. So here Allah talks about that He will give you paradise, but there is one condition. He will test you with your lives and wealth, and whoever passes this test, he will be given Jannah. And in this war, we have seen how our resistance have given their lives and have killed the soldiers of enemy. So they have passed this test. And if we talk about wealth, how our resistance has given financial blow to the enemy, and there are countries who are supporting our resistance with their wealth, providing military equipment, technology to them. And most importantly, how our resistance and the people have sacrificed their wealth, their comfort, and has joined the resistance and are supporting it. This means they have successfully qualified this test. And Allah says they have exchanged this wealth and their life for paradise. So they have secured their future. And I think it's the best deal. And Allah talks about it. He says that is truly the ultimate triumph. And Allah says you should celebrate it. So in this war we have seen many people have given their lives. And Allah says it's for His cause. They kill or are killed. So whether you are killed or you kill your enemy, you will be rewarded with Jannah. Allah says, and it's written in all the 3 books, make a good deal. That's why we see our residents have such a good spirit. They are not tired with this war or with the attacks of enemy. They know that they have exchanged their lives for paradise. They have secured a blissful future. And despite being bombarded, like in Yemen, we have seen the people have come to the streets in huge rallies. They don't fear the bombs. They don't fear the attacks. Even the little children, they are so much brave. Why? Because they trust Allah's words. They know that this promise is true. And Allah says you should celebrate it. You should not be upset if there is martyrdom or if you kill somebody who is your enemy. You should be happy because it's for the cause of Allah. So if you work for the cause of Allah, then it's a guarantee that Allah will give you His paradise. You will be victorious in this dunya and in the hereafter.